In this video, we will be looking at the stomping effect. The This kind of an effect, which is very much useful and very much required in a creative presentations where you want to grab the attention of your audience and make it more exciting. So let's start. First, I will just take a blank this. In this, we'll just input a text box, and this is life. I will just write life for example right now, and increase the font size of the life. We can increase to some extent. We increase that life, and now we can actually we will be taking a shape, go into the insert, go into shapes, and then go into a rectangle shape right now for example, and then select all and go into the format, shape format, and go into here and intersect. So now this one part is done. Now what we have to do, we have to just go into the format shape here, and if there is line, no line should be there, so that it will be a very much clean effect will be coming. Also we can actually have the size, width we can increase from here, so whatever the width you want. I am just taking right now 10 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to take an image, where this kind of an image we will take, and that you can actually get it from Google. I will just a minute. This image I will just take, just copy image, and now paste that image here. So now the image is pasted here. Now what we have to do, we have to actually increase the image size. This is the image size. Now go into the format picture and go into the picture transparency and do it 100% transparent. Done this till now. So we are looking at an image of this. We can actually now here also we can send it backwards. Now this is the, now copy this slide. In this slide what we will be doing, we have to now change the transparency of the photo. Now we will do one thing, we will just go into the format picture, go into transparency. Now here the transparency is to be reduced, and it should be like going here, or we can reduce it down somewhat more so that a good effect can be there. And now life, we have to increase the size of the life. Increase it more, to some extent more here, and now go into the transparency here, into the fill transparency, and actually you can have to some extent this kind of. Now you can actually see this is the effect we are getting, what we wanted. Now to get the total transition, select both the PPT, both the slide and go into the transitions, put Morph Transition. Now let's look at the presentation. So this is what and effective utilization of simple transitions can be useful. So I hope you got a good sense of how to do the morph transitions and get this kind of an animation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.